It's not about the energy and calories as much as it is about the nutrients. For decades, people have been taught to look at food through one narrow lens, calories. But how many calories are in it? How many did you burn? How many should you eat? And while calories do kind of matter in a basic sense, they measure energy. They do not tell the full story. In many cases, they don't even tell the most important story. I'm John Laspina, your Carnivore Teacher Alpha. And because your body is not a bomb calorimeter, your body is a living, adaptive, highly intelligent biological system. It doesn't simply count energy units. It responds to signals, building blocks, hormones, enzymes, minerals, amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, and nutrient density. In other words, your body doesn't just need fuel, it needs materials. And that's where many people go wrong. They focus on energy while ignoring nourishment. You can eat 500 calories of donuts, candy, chips, or sugary cereal. Yes, that provides energy, but what else does it provide? Often very little of what the body actually needs to repair tissues, build hormones, support the immune system, maintain muscle, regulate blood sugar, or produce stable energy. Now compare that to 500 calories of eggs, beef, salmon, lamb, or other nutrient-dense animal foods. Same approximate energy on paper, perhaps, but metabolically, physiologically, hormonally, and nutritionally, it is a completely different experience. One meal may spike cravings, destabilize blood sugar, and leave you hungry again quickly. The other may satisfy you for hours while delivering iron and zinc and B12, choline, creatine, and so forth. Complete protein, highly bioavailable nutrients, and the raw materials your body can actually use. That is why two foods with identical calories can produce radically different outcomes. Calories tell you quantity, nutrients tell you quality, and quality changes everything. Your metabolism depends on nutrients. Your thyroid depends on nutrients. Your mitochondria depend on nutrients. Your muscles, brain chemistry, your mood, your recovery, your hormones, and your immune system all depend on nutrients. If someone is consistently tired, always hungry, losing muscle, dealing with cravings, poor energy, brittle hair, weak nails, low motivation, brain fog, or hormonal imbalance, the answer may not be eat fewer calories. It may be eat more nourishment. Many people are overfed and undernourished at the same time. Think about that. They're eating enough or even too much energy, but not enough of the things that run the machine. That's why someone can gain weight while still being malnourished. They have fuel coming in, but not enough usable nutrition. That is also why satiety matters. Nutrient-dense foods tend to satisfy the body better. When your nutritional needs are being met, appetite often becomes more regulated. Hunger signals calm down. Constant snacking becomes less necessary. Cravings often decline and disappear. The body is wise. If it keeps asking for food, sometimes it is not asking for more calories, it may be asking for nutrients. And that changes the whole conversation, doesn't it? Instead of asking, how little can I eat? Maybe ask, how well can I nourish myself? Instead of obsessing over numbers on labels, start asking, what proteins does this provide? What minerals are in this? Are these nutrients bioavailable? Will this stabilize me or stimulate me? Will this satisfy me or keep me chasing more food? Because many modern foods are engineered around taste, convenience, shelf life, and repeat buying, not nourishment. They are energy rich and nutrient poor. That combination creates a trap. Eat more, receive less. And you're paying for it. Many people have lived in that trap for years. When you shift toward real nutrient-dense foods, especially foods rich in complete protein and highly usable micronutrients, something often changes. Hunger becomes calmer. Energy becomes steadier. Body composition can improve. Recovery improves. Mood improves. Life just gets easier. Not because magic happened, because the body finally got what it needed. Now, this doesn't mean calories are meaningless. If someone chronically overeats energy beyond their needs, that matters. But calories are a secondary lens, not the primary lens. Food is information. I've said it many times. It's chemistry. Food is construction material. Food is signaling. And if you ignore that and reduce nutrition to math, you miss the bigger truth. So yes, energy matters, but nutrients matter more than most people realize. The body can handle many things when nourished well. It struggles when chronically deprived. So stop seeing food as just numbers. Start seeing food as what it becomes once it enters you. Because the goal is not simply to eat less. The goal is to thrive. If you found this helpful, click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, I invite you. And if you click that bell icon under the subscribe word, you will get a notification when I put out a new video, which is daily. And if you leave me a question, a comment, or a suggestion, I will write you back. Share this video by pushing the share button and sending it off to other social media sites so we can get the message out. And I thank you for watching this one. I hope to see you again. Have a good day.